Alright YouTube, welcome to another video. Probably just a little one. We're at Dynodaze, as you can see, for a new clutch, a Honda release bearing, the rear main seal and the clutch bypass line. I've sort of noticed that at really high revs it was starting to get really difficult to get in gear, and as far as I know the car's never had a clutch. It's on about 65,000 miles, which isn't a lot really, I suppose, but you know, it's going to happen at some point, so I might as well do it now. And then combine that with the bypass line, hopefully we'll get a better ease of gear and just a better feel together. So yeah, I'll try and get as much as I can on video, but it might not be a lot. I don't want to keep sticking my camera in the guys' faces. Right, so these are the parts that are going on. We've got an extreme stage 1 clutch. We've got a Honda release bearing and the crankshaft rear seal as well. I've read many times that that's worth doing, so you don't want an oil leak. Well, you don't want an oil leak, do you? Because you're going to have to take all this apart to get to it, so it's worth doing at the same time. Right, so it's a few days later. I need to break the clutch in for a while, probably like a couple 100 miles, which is going to take a long time because I never drive anywhere, so I need to make a special effort to go out and drive a bit. Drive home, it felt brilliant. The gear change is so much smoother now. Like I said at the beginning, it was at high speeds, it was really difficult to get into gear. But even just at normal speeds, it didn't quite feel as smooth as it should. But yeah, now just driving normal speeds, it's just like proper silky smooth gear change now. The clutch bypass, or clutch damper bypass, you know, I've probably got to give it some beans, I think, to properly appreciate that. But I definitely could tell when I was just pulling off from standstill, there was no delay, and it was like, you know, the clutching disengaged a lot quicker. So yeah, you might say, why did I create a video where I didn't actually do the work myself? But you know, I'm in my mid-40s, I don't want to be rolling around under a car on axle stands trying to do a clutch. Not when there's DIY to do anyway. So yeah, at least from the video you can kind of see what bits need to come off the car, so you can kind of get an idea if you were to do it yourself, which, you know, how much effort it is. But yeah, I'm so glad I've had it done. And yeah, just need to break that clutch in so I can start giving it some beans. So yeah, thanks for watching as always. Please like and subscribe, and I shall see you on the next one. Cheers, guys.